In this video on PSAT, SAT prep, I'm going to discuss mean, median, mode, and range of a set of data. This is the same table that you had in your question on your Google form. I'm going to disregard the data from Samuel, so you can only pay attention in this particular case to the data for Joseph, and I'm going to demonstrate how to find the mean, median, mode, and range of this set of data. And so just a reminder that whenever we find the mean, that's just a fancy word for average. And so to find the average, what we're going to do is we're going to add up the total amount of electricity bills for Joseph in all of these 5 months. And so starting with January, that's $184.66. February would be $193.12. March, $175.99, plus $145.30 for April, and in May, $180.33. And then we're going to divide by the total number of months, which in this case would be 5. And so when I put that to my calculator, what I end up getting as my mean or as my average is $175.88. Okay, to find the median is just a fancy word for the middle. And so in order to find the middle of a collection of data, what you're going to have to do first is write the data points in order from smallest to largest. And so I'm going to do that first by writing April's amount, which is the smallest value in that set of data, 145.30. The next smallest amount would be March, that would be 175.99, and then you have May at 180.33, and then January at 184.66, and then finally February is the most expensive month, which is a little ironic since it's the shortest month of the year, but it's the highest electricity bill here at 193.12. Now to find the median, what we're going to do is start shaving off numbers from the ends. And so what I would do first is I would eliminate the highest and the smallest values there, and then start with the next lowest and the next highest, and that is how I get to the middle. And so that right there is going to be the median, in this particular case, 180.33. The mode, well, when you think mode, you can think most. And so the mode is just the data value that shows up the most number of times. And so since all of these electricity bills are different, we do not have a mode for this particular set of data. And then finally, whenever we find the range of a set of data, what we do there is we take the highest and we subtract the lowest. And so the highest value in this particular set of data would be 193.12, and the lowest would be 145.30. And so if you take your calculator and you subtract those two values, you end up getting your range, which in this case is $47.82. And so that's the difference in the highest electricity bill and the lowest electricity bill. Okay, now with this refresher over mean, median, mode, and range, go back to your question and see if you can answer it correctly.